Pain is something that normally a person would like to avoid. But for other people, it's also something that they welcome.
I fly like paper, get high like plane. If you catch me at the border, I got visas in my name. If you come around here, I'll make them all day. I'll get one down in a second if you wait.
60 muna.
60
From
participants.
60 going 40.
Tapos 20-20 per condition. 20 o 20-20 per condition.
Ano muna yung condition?
Pain plus funny video, saka pain plus neutral video.
We're looking for the effect of a positive inducer, positive mood inducer. We want to see if it somehow affects, increase or decrease, or nothing.
Empathy.
Empathy, empathic. Paano natin mineasure sa participant?
Gumawa ko na empathic scale.
Which is based on?
Based on empathy, tsaka yung pain perception.
Tapos, meron din tayong ano scale na ginamit natin? Pagsagot.
Yung BMIS,
yung
mood, introspection scale.
That was presented before having the participants watch the videos.
Para malaman kung may change na talaga. Meron, significant naman.
Significant.
So, anong results? Anong results?
No significance.
No significance.
No statistical significance.
Talaga lang.
Yung data kasi natin hindi siya...
Thanks. Gustusan lang. Uy, akin ata yun ah. Is that mine?
Pero anyway, nasa research paper naman natin. So, nalalabuan ng ating viewers. Sa akin na lang.
Pero wala si Jose.
Pero wala pa rin. Nananawagan po kami kay Jose kasi hindi namin alam kung nawawala yung bata. Kung sino man po nakahanap sa kanya, pakilala na lang po sa DSW.
Ang bata. Buksan mo. Bad boy, badass.